She's one actress who's usually known to be diplomatic, but for a change, Deepika Padukone chose to be on the offensive, ridiculing all controversy surrounding her alleged relationship with Ranveer Singh and her film Ram Leela. Here's a rare occasion when Deepika Padukone opened up.
Who is spreading these rumors, I want to know. It's clearly a figment of somebody's imagination. I have no idea who has heard or what has heard.
She may have stepped out to launch the cover of yet another magazine, but Deepika Padukone was in damage control mode from the word go.
दीपिका, कुछ दिनों पहले ऐसी न्यूज़ आई थी कि आप और आपके को-स्टार रणवीर सिंह बेशरम के बारे में कुछ कमेंट पास कर रहे थे, तो ऐसे रूमर्स को आप कैसे लेते हो?
This I found very entertaining myself. It's clearly a figment of somebody's imagination. We were sitting next to a coconut tree.
But evidently quite unsuccessful at the attempt.
So I don't know, I have no idea who has heard or what has heard, or I was in Goa shooting for a movie. Sorry, I haven't even seen the movie.
But the rumors and accusations don't end just there.
राम लीला को बहुत लोग पसंद कर रहे हैं, ट्रेलर को पसंद कर रहे हैं, डांस को बहुत पसंद किया जा रहा है, लेकिन एक रूमर भी आ रहा है उसके साथ कि जो नगाड़ा सॉन्ग है उसमें आप भी डांस किया, बल्कि कोई डुप्लीकेट या किसी और को
Who is spreading these rumors, I want to know. You want to see the soles of my feet? How badly the skin has come off? I've worked very hard, okay? Don't take away the credit.
Would you like to talk about other item songs
Well, they shot that song after I was done with the film. I was already in Dubai for Happy New Year while they were shooting that song. So I didn't know what they were going to do with it. I had heard the track, and Sir had told me that they were going with her for the song. And the first time I saw it, obviously, was when it released. And I think she's done such a flawless job. I mean, I've worked with Sanjay Sir myself, and I know what he expects. Every step, every thumka, every look has to just be perfect. You know, that combined with the diya has to be correct, and the curtain has to be flying correctly. So I think, I mean, when I saw it, my thing was, wow, it was beautiful and it was flawless. I even tweeted her about it to, tell her what a wonderful job she's done.
With Abhiradhar in Mumbai, Janice Sequeira for Times Now.